Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do a first date makeup look with you guys. This is just something that I would do for a first date, something kind of subtle, like it's not a no makeup look. I'm definitely wearing makeup, but it's just what I would do personally. So yeah, this is what I came up with for a first date makeup look. If you guys want to see how I got this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I would go in with is obviously primer. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth Primer. This has been my favorite as of recently. I have really dry skin, so of course when I'm going to go on a first date, I want to use one of my favorite products and something that just makes my skin look good. You know, I don't want my skin to look really dry or anything. Next, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite foundations. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. Even though I have dry skin, I really like the way that this one looks and feels on my skin. I feel like it's really lightweight. It feels really natural. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing a ton of makeup. And depending on how much you guys go in with, I mean, it can be a light coverage. It's typically like a medium coverage foundation, and you can build it up if you want to. So I like having that option. Due to like some redness and discoloration, I do like to wear foundation on a first date. Some people would rather just go in with like a little bit of concealer and stuff like that, but I would rather just cover up everything, just even out my skin tone. So since I don't like to go really heavy with makeup on a first date, I'm not going to put on any concealer, so that's why I just put it all over my eyelids and everything. Typically I wouldn't always do this, but since it's summer and I am really fair, I'm going to go in with my butter bronzer and just bronze up the skin a little bit. I don't like to do like a very chiseled contour or anything on a first date. I just like to keep it as natural looking as I can. Next, I'm going to go in with a Tarte blush in the shade Party. I love this. It's just like a rosy pink shade, and it's not too pigmented. I just want to give my cheeks like a little flushed look. Some people might not want to wear highlight on the first date, but since I really do love highlighter, I'm just taking a more natural one, and I'm going in with the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. I feel like this one isn't too strong of a highlight. I mean, you can build it up, but it just gives me a little bit of glow without looking like too much, you know? It doesn't give you that blinding highlight, but it still gives you a little bit of glow to your skin. I like that. The eyeshadow, I don't like to do anything too dramatic, just something subtle. So I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. I just really love this palette, and I was feeling like the cool and pinky shades in here. And I'm going to take Divinity, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid just to kind of set down the foundation I put on earlier. Next, I'm going to go in with this Almond Truffle shade. It's like one of my favorites. I'm about to hit pan on that shade. And I'm going to buff this all along the crease. Just gives me a little something. It's not too strong, but especially since I'm going with like the pinky kind of girly look for this is like the perfect shade to use. Okay, so now that I've built that up to the intensity I wanted it at, I'm gonna go in with Cashew Chew and just put that all over the lid. I don't want to go with anything like too glittery on the lids. Like I said, just keeping it natural. I'm just gonna go in with this matte shade and put that all over the lid. I'm actually going to go back in with the Essence Pure Nude highlighter, and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight. For brows, I am going to be going in with my NYX Precision Brow Pencil. I don't like going in with cream products a lot. I do enjoy the pencil a lot more, and I feel like it's more natural looking. If you have full eyebrows, you won't have to do this step, but I don't know, I feel like mine are pretty sparse, and I just feel better if my eyebrows are done, but that's just me. You could always go in with like a tinted gel and just brush that through your brows as well. I have done that before. Next, I'm going to go in with mascara, and I'm going to use the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I love this because it doesn't get really clumpy, but it curls my lashes and just gives them a really nice look, so that's what I'm going to use for today. You guys see the difference. I really like the way that this mascara looks on my eyes. I would not go in with like false lashes for a first date. I just really think this mascara gives me that nice like flirty curled lash look, so I really enjoy that. And the last thing I'm going to do is put on lipstick. For this, I don't like to do anything like too bold, but I don't really want to wear gloss either just because it's going to come off and I'm going to have to keep reapplying throughout the night, so I don't want to do that. So I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip in Zuma. I really like this because it gives my lips some color to them, but it's not too strong. Like, it's kind of got a slight sheerness to it, but also it's transfer proof, so I don't have to worry about it coming off throughout the night when I'm eating, or, you know, the date goes well and we end up kissing. So yeah, I really like going with something like this. I'm a transfer proof type of person, you know. I love this shade. And now I don't have to worry about the lipstick coming off throughout the night and me having to reapply or any getting on my teeth. So that's just why that's the one that I went with. The last time I had a first date, this is pretty similar to what I did, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.